My name is Kira Berry, and today I'll be talking about the Milgram study. So, where is your moral limit? The Milgram experiment examined the ability for random people from different backgrounds to see if they had the ability to remove themselves when their moral limit has been reached. So, could you flip a switch that shocks someone to feel excruciating pain? Here is a video clip of an example of what happened during the study.
Condition of the gentleman.
And, of course, we'll begin with 15 volts for the first wrong answer. Okay? Do not begin until I say ready, begin, please. Attention, learner. Your teacher is about to begin the test. Try and remember the word pairs. Ready? Begin, please.
Blue girl. Nice day. Fat neck.
The early stages of the test pass uneventfully.
Incorrect. You'll now get a shock of 75 volts. Soft hair. He kind of did some yelling in there.
Continue, please.
Incorrect. You'll now get a shock of 105 volts. Hard head. Just how far can you go in this thing?
As far as is necessary.
What do you mean as far as is necessary?
To complete the test. Please continue.
I sure don't know the effect of this thing, and I'm a little skeptical about electricity.
The experiment requires that you go on, teacher. Please continue.
Incorrect. 150 volts.
Oh,
Sad face.
wait a minute. That's all. Get me out of here. I told you I had heart trouble. My heart's starting to bother me now. Get me out of here, please.
Continue.
My heart's starting to bother me. I refuse to go in. Let me out.
I think we ought to find out.
So, Milgram experiment used two variables. One was a learner who faked his response to being shocked. The other was the experimenter leader who directed the tester. The tester, in less than 2 minutes in the video, was already uncomfortable with the experiment. But does he have the ability to resist, or will he remain obedient? So, what does obedience mean? Milgram's hypothesized relatively few people have the resources needed to resist authority. His theory expected his testers to be unable to resist the experimenter leader, even though the tester was uncomfortable and questioned the limits of the experiment. Could you go the limit without remorse? Later, in a study conducted by Shanab and Yaha, their experiments used children between the ages of 6 and 17 years old. Their experiment showed that age did not produce a resistance to authority and highlighted that girls tended to complete the experiment. Ethics and psychology experiments. Benjamin and Simpson conducted in their research the Milgram's experiment that the methods used were unethical and shaped the future of psychological experiments to have limits which hinder results of human behavior in society. Milgram exposed the limits of moral consciousness. People may be able to discern right from wrong and know that their actions make them feel uncomfortable, but blatantly resisting authority? The general population is not conditioned to make this type of stand. This study shows that our society does not groom people to be revolutionists. Thank you.